Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. 2 Pairs Minimum, and let's take a quick look at the 204L in the silver metallic black colorway. These were released in late August 2025 for the retail price of £110 here in the UK. It comes in a standard grey MB branded box. Inside the box comes the shoes wrapped in white New Balance branded paper. No accessories were included, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Following the chunky runner, also known as dad shoe trend, 2025 seems to be leading us back to a more sleek low profile trainer, with the return of the likes of the Puma Speedcat and Mostro leading the charge. Enter the 204L, inspired by 2000s low profile runners, combined with the slim structures of 70s running shoes. New Balance led this release with an all-over suede pack, similar to the Miu Miu 530 SL that released last year. But I prefer this more sporty classic MB design, featuring a white mesh upper with silver metallic, grey and black leather overlays that sits on an off-white midsole. I like the touch of the yellow tongue for that vintage look, plus the outsole has a good amount of traction with a more studded outsole design. Its sleek proportions accented with arched lines across the overlays make the 204L feel both new yet familiar. On feet I recommend staying true to size. It's a little snug at the forefoot, but the breathable mesh upper makes these feel very comfortable. You might want to go up half a size if you have extremely wide feet, and as usual purchase links with my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching, please drop a like and comment sleek to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.